Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the GG for CPM2 build and platform compatibility. Download and install the core package, and make sure dependencies complete without errors. Once done, open your project folder and place the provided config. IML template there. This avoids path mistakes later. You should run the installer as administrator to prevent permission issues, and then launch the basic validation command to confirm the environment is healthy before moving on. You now configure GG for CPM2 in detail, editing endpoints, credentials, and resource limits so the system behaves predictably. Make sure to enable only the modules you need. This reduces memory and CPU consumption and speeds up execution. Once adjustments are in place, run a dry run validation to check syntax and runtime warnings. If warnings appear, fix them iteratively and revalidate. This prevents failures during full execution and gives you a clearer error trail to follow. You proceed to full execution by launching the run with info or debug logging so you capture context. Monitor CPU, memory, and I/O metrics while watching error logs in real time. This helps you link symptoms to specific modules. If something goes wrong, stop the run, revert to the last known good config, and re-enable modules one at a time to isolate the failure. One key tip: check permission and path mismatches first. They cause the most silent failures and are quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.